Alright, so for this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be replacing the front passenger side axle on this Audi Q5 2013. The way I found that there was a problem is because I noticed that the wheel was like greasy, and I don't know if you can see from here, but on the inside it looks like it's all that oily, greasy stuff. Once I remove the wheel, I will be able to show you where exactly is the leakage and why I'm going to be replacing the axle. I could possibly just replace the boot itself, that the rubber piece where all that grease is, but I just decided to just change the whole axle. All right, so the wheel is out. So I just wanted to show you what's going on behind, and if you can see all the greasy stuff, and it's because this piece right here, this rubber piece, it has a crack. Once I remove it, we'll be able to see it. And so this is the inside of the wheel, all that greasy stuff. So the wheel is back, the car is back on the ground, and so that we are able to unscrew this bolt. And I'm gonna use this WD-40 and also the heat gun just to make it a little bit easier to remove the bolt, and let's see how it turns out. All right, looks like heat does work sometimes. Look, see, now we're able to turn it, and especially being that it's about 40 degrees right now, yeah, when the metal is cold, it's really tough to remove some of the bolts. All right, so brake caliper is out. So as you can see, look at all the greasy stuff that was coming out from there. And of course we can remove this bolt. Yeah, even got inside there. Alright, so here we are. The rotor is out. So here's the axle, and we're gonna be removing that bolt over there. There is 5 or 6 of them. For that, we're gonna need this socket, which is M10. Alright, so I ran into a few problems here. Axle is out, so to take it out, I had to also take these off so that I could pull this and unscrew the bolts. Oh, what the hell is that? Actually, I also damaged the wheel bearing while removing the rotor, just because I was banging on it. But in reality, in this car, actually, there was a bolt. Oh. And yeah, so now I also have to remove the wheel hub, which I'm going to be replacing. And the issue is, first of all, the bolt. I couldn't remove one of the bolts. Had to cut it from the other side. Now the bolts are out, but I can't take this off because apparently after, I guess, years and years of rust and stuff, it gets blended together, these two pieces. So this is where I am right now. I'm trying to take this off, but the axle is, here's the problem actually with the axle. So that's why all that stuff leaked out. So I'm gonna continue trying to remove this. I don't know. So as you can see, I had to cut this off. so that I could get to the bolt that I couldn't remove. Then I had to cut the bolt. That's it. This thing, it really got me pissed. So it's not coming out. It's not coming out. I mean, look at this. Look at everything. It's just so I'm just cutting everything piece by piece, and it will come out. I don't care. It will be coming out. Oh, this was a real battle. Shit, look at this. After all these years, this thing just didn't want to come out. Alright, so time to put everything back together. I just got new parts. So I got the new wheel hub, the rotor, and the axle. Alright, everything is back in place. That, new axle, new wheel hub, new rotor. Just need to tighten this bolt, the axle bolt, and I'll do it once I put the wheel back, lower the car so that it doesn't spin. If you take care of your car, it will take care of you. That's how it works. It's finished and ready to go.